Sabaydi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy and simple. It's basically we call like a nyam Ka Lum. Basically it's like a salad, you know, same family of salad. Okay, you eat like, you know, something light, you don't want to eat something heavy, so it's really easy to cook. And we have like very simple stuff here, which is we have a cabbage a cabbage and cilantro and spring onion, and use a lamb. Okay, lamb is give more flavor and is stronger. So anyway, and I also use a ground pork right here, a ground pork, and then I use fish sauce and fresh lamb juice and chicken broth, and also this is sugar and vegetable oil. And you know, it's the most important about this ingredient. You want to use the fresh, I mean, you know, like dry pepper, but make it fresh. Okay, like don't put in the container and week later you cook. So each time you make this dish, you want to grill a little bit and blend them, and that way they kind of keep it smell good. Okay, and this let me show you. I'm gonna go ahead grill my roasting my dry pepper, and then we put the salt in there first. It just kind of like when you cook in the house, it's also kind of control the smell a little bit and make the pepper taste better also. Okay, so right now I'm in the medium heat. Okay, and then you're gonna do slow cook on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna roasting until it's like turn kind of like brown a little bit, but not too dark. Okay. Yeah, I rolled the lamb a little bit to make it soft and more juice that way too. Here I have ice water, and I have my cabbage here cut in half. And then see, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slide them, and I use my favorite knife. I have this for a long time, and I love using this one. I'm slide like this, you know, kind of like small piece, look like that, and then I go ahead drop in the ice water to keep a little bit more like you know, crispy, a little bit nice and cold. Okay, let me finish this. Okay, see, I use the whole head cabbage, and that's what how much I have here, and I put in the cold water, ice water, and see how they look like, kind of like very nice and crunchy a little bit. This is shaving cabbage. Okay, and then you want to kind of like remove this a little bit out from the water, and I'm gonna sit in my place. So just leave like about few minutes, make sure all the water out first before you mix them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead cook my pork. Okay, ground pork. Put some vegetable oil in, and you just save a little bit, you know, put on the top of salad to make like on top like salad, you know, cabbage salad. Just leave a little bit for later on. Then I go ahead use my pork. Okay, I put my pork in already, and then one thing I need to do, I just need to add a little bit salt in to the meat, okay, to keep a little bit of flavor. And then I go ahead pick like a tip of my finger, chicken broth, add in a little bit. That way it's make it smell good. That's called magic touch. Okay, this is perfect right here. Gonna take all the pork up like that, and you want to let it cool down first. Okay, Okay. See, this is a ground pork, but then, you know, when I cook, it's already like stick together like that, and I want to go ahead and chop it a little bit, okay? Let's chop this up a little bit. Okay, that's good enough right there. Perfect. Let's make the cabbage in. Put the cabbage in here first in the bowl. Go ahead. Put the ground pork. Now this is like salad, okay, guys? I like it hot. And then vegetable oil. Add lime juice. And fish sauce. You know, on the fish sauce part, don't put a whole lot. We always can add some more. Just put a little bit first, and we add, you know, taste it first. See if that's your taste right, you know. And I go gentle with this, okay? I did not squeeze them like that. I just kind of like clip up and mix them together gentle. So good. Yummy, yummy. Okay. See how beautiful color? Okay, I'm gonna put it in my place now. Yum Ka Lum Leo. This is cabbage salad. Hot and spicy, sweet and sour, everything, okay? So good. Let me taste it, okay? It's just kind of like snack food, but you can eat with sandwich or just eat like this. You know how like you eat papaya salad, tamahung? This is kind of like similar to that too. So, let me taste. Ooh, yummy. The taste is amazing. Alright guys, see you next video, okay? Bye bye, ลาก่อน